What's up Y2, this is your boy DJ Y and I'm back with another episode. Guys, in today's video I want to show you legendary Nelly reunited with also legendary Cameron Diaz at Bottlerock festival. Also guys, after the crazy sold out show of Nelly, they reunited on the stage and made very special food party. Also they was drinking Nelly's moonshine drink, man. Bro, it was really crazy party. Check this out in YTV, come on.
Go.
There you go.
A special, we're going to call this the Nelly Burger. The Nelly
There we
Burger.
go.
There it is?
Here you go. Here you go.
All right.
Where's my lid? Alright. Cheers, y'all.
Everybody!
You
did the right thing.
yeah,
Guys, be honest and tell me that Cameron Diaz was your crush back in the days, man. I know that she definitely was your crush, man. Period. Literally, after so many years, Cameron Diaz is still so beautiful, so young, and so fresh. In case she's in her 40s, man. Yes, this is totally true, bro. She's like a good old wine, bro. Period. What about Nelly, man? Honestly, say for me, Nelly was one of the greatest rappers back in the days, man. When he dropped Dilemma with Kelly Rowland, it was my all-time everyday jam, man. This track was so huge, bro. If you are too young and have no clue what I'm talking about, now just listen to me carefully, man. This song made our childhood more beautiful and made our life better, man. This is totally truth, which goes without doubt and without saying. Shout out to Nelly for made it happen. We love you, big bro. So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Peace.
Yo, what up? It's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTV. Just keep it going.